Factories and warehouses are looking for safer, more efficient ways to move product and materials around their facilities, and mobile robots are stepping in to provide safe, fast, and reliable solutions to a variety of industries and applications. With payloads ranging from 60 to 1,500 kilograms, users can get the payload and features that match their needs, with safety and fleet management tools that are the best in the industry. The OMRON MD650 and MD900 medium-duty mobile robots add to the OMRON portfolio with a 650 kilogram or 900 kilogram payload for handling a wide variety of parts and materials while maintaining a small footprint to maneuver around tight spaces and narrow pathways. Advanced LiDAR systems let the MD series adjust its safety zone and speed to get through predefined areas that would be too narrow to pass through at full speed. With advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance software, the MD series is even capable of autonomous reverse navigation. These safety, detection, and navigation features make the MD series fully compliant with the ISO 36914 standard. As with all OMRON AMRs, the MD series is compatible with existing OMRON infrastructure and can be quickly and easily added to an existing OMRON fleet. No tracks, tape, or markers are required, so changes can be made to the manufacturing flow with no disruption or facility changes. The OMRON MD series has a smaller footprint than comparable mobile robots, so it can maneuver easily even through tight spaces. The MD series uses industry-proven scanners and lasers for obstacle detection and avoidance. Optional side lasers can identify tall, unique, or overhanging payloads so the robots can operate in environments with unique structures that may not be picked up by the standard safety laser scanners or low lasers. A 0mm turning radius and 729mm swing radius enables movement in tight spaces, and robots are able to pass each other in aisles as narrow as 1.6 meters. With an industry-leading top speed of 2.2 meters per second or 5 miles per hour, the MD series is the fastest mobile robot in its class. Load and unload procedures can be fully automated, so no human assistance is required. OMRON continues to partner with trusted system integrators to develop easy-to-implement solutions, while also partnering with technology leaders like ROEC to develop proven, standardized solutions, making it faster and easier to design a solution. An 8-hour runtime and a charge time of less than 30 minutes gives the MD series exceptional operational efficiency with an uptime ratio over 16:1. Manage your entire mobile robot fleet from a single platform and with industry-leading navigation and path planning software like OMRON Fleet Manager, Mobile Planner, and FlowCore to get the most out of your mobile fleet. Like all other OMRON mobile robots, they can connect to lifts, doors, conveyors, and more with OMRON's Mobile I/O box. It's also possible to integrate with a wide variety of ERP, WMS, MES platforms. Like the rest of OMRON's mobile robot product line, the MD series is easy to set up and is backed by a highly trained team for global technical support. No matter what your task is, OMRON has a mobile robot that can get the job done quickly, efficiently, and safely.